The Sjobergs Elite cabinet makers workbenches are made in Sweden to the very highest European standards. Designed to totally eliminate any vibration, rocking or racking, and are suitable for the most demanding professional. For maximum strength, the top is constructed using full-length laminations of knot-free European beech without any ugly joins. They are 85 mm or 3 3/8 of an inch in thickness, joined using the tongue and groove technique. And the skirt is 110 mm or 4 1/4 inches in depth for maximum strength. The Elite benches are available in 3 lengths, including the end vise: 2.5 meters or 99 inches, 2 meters or 76 inches, and 1.5 meters or 59 inches. 2 massive pre-mounted vises are 600 mm or 23.5 inches in width, with 145 mm or 5 1/4 inch opening capacity. The vice design is unique to Sjobergs. Made in Sweden, they slide along fully adjustable guide rails to eliminate any misalignment of the jaws. No problem even if you are left-handed. The front vice can easily be moved to the other side of the bench and the top rotated by 180 degrees. The 4 solid steel bench dogs with side springs and the double row of dog holes permit even the toughest clamping jobs working from either vice. Solid European beech is also used in the pre-assembled frames for the trestle. The optional quick action holdfast QSH can be used in any dog hole for clamping around 360 degrees or in the trestle legs for clamping large boards or doors. Self-adhesive cork rubber jaw cushions JC12 can be fitted to protect your workpiece and the jaws of the vice. If you are above average height, then you can fit the adjusting blocks that raise the working height by 90 mm or 3 1/2 inches. A heavy-duty steel anvil can be fitted into any dog hole for metalworking and avoiding damage to the top. The set of 4 tool savers TS12 can be fitted on the bench dogs to protect your sharp edges from accidental damage. You can even clamp round or non-parallel surfaces. Equally strong but lightweight optional aluminium bench dogs are also available. A special vice clamp TC11 can be locked into the vice to enable you to raise the working height for some of those tricky jobs. Storage modules are available with beech-fronted drawers and cupboards, and there is additional handy storage on top of the module. Another storage option is open-fronted for easy access to your tools. It is also supplied with the booklet entitled Taking Care of Your Sjobergs Workbench. The Sjobergs Elite cabinet makers workbenches are built to last a lifetime and come with a 10-year manufacturer's warranty, subject to the standard conditions.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.